I'll guide you through how to merge two WhatsApp backups on iPhone without losing your old Android chats or new iPhone conversations. If you're looking to combine your old chat history from an Android phone with your recent conversations on a new iPhone, or if you want to have a single unified record of all your messages in one place and need to merge two WhatsApp backups, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Before you start, make sure you've enabled USB debugging on your Android and disabled Find My iPhone on your iPhone, as these are required for the software to work correctly. First, you need to understand that this is not a free or native WhatsApp feature. The official backup methods will not merge your chat histories. They will only overwrite them. So to combine your chats, you need a PC or Mac and a professional third-party software designed for this specific task. For this tutorial, we'll be using iCareFone. I placed a download link in the description. Once you have the software installed, the first step is to connect both your Android and your iPhone to your computer using their respective USB cables. The iCareFone software needs to be able to access both devices at the same time. Open the iCareFone application on your computer. On the main interface, navigate to the WhatsApp Data Transfer and Merge option. Select your Android phone as the source device and your iPhone as the destination. Then click Transfer to begin the process. The application will prompt you to back up your WhatsApp data on your Android phone. Follow the instructions to create a local backup. After this, iCareFone will begin to transfer the data and you'll be asked to verify your WhatsApp account on the destination iPhone. This is done by sending a verification code or OTP, one-time password, to your phone number via SMS. This step is crucial for the software to combine your chats correctly. Once the data has been merged on the computer, you will be prompted to reinstall WhatsApp on your iPhone. During the initial setup of WhatsApp on your iPhone, select the option to restore from the backup. iCareFone will then automatically restore the newly merged file, giving you a complete chat history that combines conversations from both your Android and your iPhone. During this time, your iPhone will be temporarily unusable as the new data is being written. Once the restoration is done, your iPhone will restart. Simply unplug your phone, open WhatsApp, and you should find all your chats, both old and new, neatly organized in one place. Now that you've learned how to merge two WhatsApp backups, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more WhatsApp video tutorials. Thanks for watching.